Each age tends to create a model of apprenticeship that is suited to the system of production that prevails at that time. In the Middle Ages, during the birth of modern capitalism and the need for quality control, the first apprenticeship system appeared with its rigid, defined terms. But with the advent of Industrial Revolution, this model of apprenticeship became largely outmoded. But the idea behind it lived on in the form of self-apprenticeship. Developing yourself from within a particular field, as Darwin did in biology. This suited the growing individualistic spirit of the time. We are now in the information age with computers dominating nearly all aspects of commercial life. Although there are many ways in which this could influence the concept of apprenticeship, it is the hacker approach to programming that may offer the most promising model for this new age. The eighth strategy of an ideal apprenticeship is to advance through trial and error using the hacker model for apprenticeship. Here is the hacker model of apprenticeship. You will learn as many skills as possible following the direction that circumstances lead you to, but only if they are related to your deepest interests. Like a hacker, you will value the process of self-discovery, making things of the highest quality. You will avoid following one set career path, and you are not sure where this will all lead to, but you will take the full advantage of the openness of information and all of the knowledge about skills that is now at your disposal. You will recognize and see what kind of work suits you and what you want to avoid at all cost. This is a way in which you're going to move in your apprenticeship through the process of trial and error. This is how you will pass your 20s, and you are like the programmer of this wide-ranging apprenticeship within the loose constraints of your personal interests. Know that you're not wandering about because you're afraid of commitments, but you are expanding your skill base and your possibilities. At a certain point, when you are ready to settle on something, ideas and opportunities will inevitably present themselves to you. When this happens, all the skills that you have accumulated will prove invaluable. Similar to the game of pole vaulting, in which you have to push off and let go of the pole on reaching the bar to make the crossover. You will be a master at combining them in the ways that are unique and suited to your individuality. When you are settling down, you can either settle on one place or idea for several years, which will further help you in enhancing your skills, and then slightly move in a different direction when the time becomes appropriate. In this new age, those who follow a rigid singular path during their youth find themselves in a career dead end during their 40s, or they are overwhelmed by boredom. Instead, the wide range of apprenticeship during their 20s will yield the opposite result. That is, expanding their possibilities as they grow older. This is how life, through the process of mastery, nurtures and trains the uniqueness and individuality of every human being in order to create a masterpiece.